Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Are you ready to meet new people and explore the world of online dating? Today I'm gonna show you how to download the CMB dating app on your smartphone. Coffee Meets Bagel dating app is for serious daters looking for a committed relationships. So I'm gonna show you how to download its app. Let's dive right in. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure it is connected to the internet, and find the App Store if you're using an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device. Here I'm on my Android phone, so I'll go on and open my Play Store. Once you're in the store, you can see the search bar at the top of your screen. Tap on it. Now type CMB dating app. You'll see the CMB app appear in the search results. Look for the official app. It should have this logo. Once you found the app, you can see the install button next to the app icon if you are on an Android, or a get button if you are on an iPhone. So tap on it to start downloading the app. The download process might take few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download is complete, the app will automatically get installed on your device. Here you can see the open button. You can directly launch the app from here, so tap on open. From here, you need to set up the app. If you already have an account, you can continue to sign in using your credentials. If not, you can create a new one. You can use your Facebook account or your phone number to sign up for your account. And there you go, you've successfully downloaded the Coffee Meets Bagel app on your phone. You are now ready to start meeting new people on this app. Happy dating! If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.